The stratosphere is the second lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere. It is situated above the troposphere and below the mesosphere. The term comes from ancient Greek stratos, meaning layer. It is characterized by stratified temperature zones where temperature increases with altitude due to absorption of ultraviolet radiation by the ozone layer, creating a temperature inversion unlike the cooling pattern seen in the troposphere. Stratosphere features. The stratosphere is a stable atmospheric layer with a distinct thermal structure, strong winds, and vital ozone chemistry that supports life on Earth. Location. The stratosphere lies above the troposphere, starting around 20 km at the equator and extending up to about 50 km near the stratopause. Temperature. Temperatures rise from about -51 degrees centigrade near the tropopause to around -15 degrees centigrade near the mesosphere, reaching nearly 270 K at the top due to ozone absorbing ultraviolet radiation. Dry and stable nature. Air entering the stratosphere is freeze-dried, making it extremely dry with minimum water vapor. These dryness lead to very few clouds and almost no weather phenomena. Stratopause. The stratopause marks the upper boundary of the stratosphere above which temperature again decreases with altitude as the mesosphere begins. Tropopause. The tropopause marks the lower boundary of the stratosphere, acting as a temperature minimum zone and separating decreasing temperature trends below from increasing trends above. Ozone layer presence. Around 90% of atmospheric ozone exists here, mainly between 15 to 35 km. Ozone absorbs harmful UV radiation and converts it into heat, making this layer essential for protecting life on Earth. Winds. Stratospheric winds can reach 60 meters per second, especially in the southern polar vortex, with seasonal variations causing extremely low temperatures during polar winters. Aviation significance. Aircraft cruise at 9 to 12 km in the lower stratosphere to avoid turbulence, benefiting from low air density and stable conditions that improve fuel efficiency and flight speed. Seasonal variations. Temperatures vary with seasons, with extremely low values during polar winters. Phenomena like quasi-biennial oscillations, sudden stratospheric warming, and planetary wave breaking influence weather patterns and cause rapid atmospheric changes at mid-latitudes. Life. Despite extreme dryness and low pressure, bacterial life has been detected at about 41 km altitude, confirming that stratosphere is part of the biosphere.